Hello friends, welcome to Azure 204 Lab 11 exercise 5. So here is the lab scenario, and so far we are done with exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, exercise 4, and in this video we'll work on exercise 5. So here we are, exercise 5. It says clean up your subscription. So it says that go to your portal and open Cloud Shell and run this particular command to clean up your resources. So I'll go back here. Let me close everything first. Let me open Cloud Shell. Okay. So before I go and delete, I always prefer to see what do I have under my subscription. So this particular command will list all the resources under my subscription. You can see I have 3 and I have to delete the last one, async processor. Okay. So the command is azed group delete dash dash name, and the group name is there async processor. Okay. Now either I can use this command to delete the resource, or I can go back to the and I can get this particular command to delete the resource. Now the only difference is this particular options dash dash no dash wait dash dash yes. It means if I use this command, I don't have to wait for the confirmation, and this particular command will delete all my resources which are there under my resource group in the background. And if I run this particular command without any option, it will ask for the confirmation. So let's see how it goes. You see, this guy is asking for the confirmation. You have to enter yes or no. Yes. Okay, now you can see it's executing. So now it will delete and it will stay here until you are done with the command. Okay, now let's go back. So that's it. This is the last command. So here we are just cleaning up all the resources. So here we are done with exercise 5. Now let's talk about the learnings of lab 11. Here you guys can go and so lab 11 primarily was based on queues and more focused on the code end. So I hope you guys can now go and create a queue just using .NET code. You can also create messages and put in a queue. You can consume the message, you can delete as right. So I hope this exercise is useful to you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe my channel.